Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a hair review video, and the company I am working with today is a company called LUVME Hair. I've actually reviewed their coily fringe wig before, and guys, I must say that LUVME Hair, they have one of the best hairs. And guys, I cannot wait to show you guys this wig I'm going to be working with. This is the packaging that the hair came in. Like LUVME Hair, they have one of the best packaging out there. Like guys, can you see how cute this packaging is? So I'm just going to take out this cute bow. Okay, so this is the wig. Guys, this hair is beginner friendly. Like in this video, I'm not going to do too much. Like this wig, I'm not going to use any glue, I'm not going to use any hot comb, I'm not going to use any equipment. I'm just going to like put on the wig. Like this wig is a throw on and go wig. Okay, so guys, this is the wig. Can you see the curls on this wig? Like I've not even taken out this thing. Let me take out this thing and show you guys. Guys, this is the curls on the wig. Can you see the curls on the wig? Can you see the natural color that this wig has? Can you see the bounce? This is the bounce of the wig, and this wig is 20 inches, so it is the perfect length. And the other things that came with the wig, it came with a wig cap. Like, you know, we need wig cap, and then it has this small cute bag. Let me open up the bag and show you guys what is in the bag. Like, I love when companies send all these gifts. Okay, this is a very cute edge brush, and then it came with this very cute scarf. And then what is this? I think this is like a small cute purse. This is actually very cute. I'm going to open up this later, but let's get into the wig, guys. Let's get into the wig. Okay, so guys, this is the wig. It is a closure wig, and it has, oh my god, I love the fact that they added this strap thingy at the back, because sometimes this adjustable strap doesn't really do too much, but this is going to help to secure your wig. So I really love the fact that they added this, because this is going to help to secure your wig. It is just very beautiful. Guys, let me put on the wig and show you guys how it is on my head. To put on a wig cap, I'm going to use this wig cap that came with this wig. And guys, for this hair video, I'm not going to use any got-to-be spray. I'm not going to do any baby hairs. This wig is literally what they call throw on and go, and this wig is perfect for summer. It is perfect for spring, so you really do not have to do anything to this wig. So I'm just going to put this wig on. I cannot wait to put this wig on. This wig is sweeting me to put on. I have my scissors here, so I'm just going to cut off my lace in a minute, but I want to like clip my hair so that it won't, you know, disturb me as I'm cutting off the lace. And yeah, so guys, so this is the lace of the hair. Okay, so this is how the lace looks like. So I'm just going to use only two things in this video to show you guys how you can install your hair. You know, you do not have to use any hot comb and do all that stuff. So I'm just going to use this, my Above Ultra Hold Hair Mousse. So I'm just going to use this. Just take some of my hair mousse, just a little bit. Oops. And I'm just going to, like, you know, put this on the hair so that it helps to hold the hair. It doesn't disturb me when I cut the lace. Okay, I'm going to use this on the hair. Oh, so I'm just going to take my scissors. You can use the smaller scissors, but I cannot find my small scissors, and you know, just cut off the lace. Okay, now I'm just going to cut off this lace and cut off this lace. So that's like pretty much what you have to do. But I have to like take off my wig, because I cannot properly cut the lace on a wig when it is on my head. So I'm just going to cut it off, and I'll put it back on and show you guys how it looks like. Okay guys, I already cut out the lace from the wig. You can see how very simple it is to cut out the lace. Just like take off your wig and cut the lace, or you can cut the lace on your head. And guys, this wig is absolutely glueless. I am not using any got-to-be spray or any glue. I'm going to lift it up. Guys, can you see there is no glue on this wig? So those of you that always complain you do not have glue or you do not have got to be spray, this wig is absolutely glueless. You do not need those things, and you can see how secured it is on my hair even without using any got to be spray or without using any glue. And guys, I'm going to use a spray bottle with water. So in this spray bottle I have only water in it, and I'm going to use my mousse. And y'all know that I love to use the Lotta Body Wrap Me body mousse. So this is the mousse I'm going to be using on my hair, and some spray bottle with water, and then my comb to comb out the curls and, you know, give this defined curls look. Okay, so let's get into it. Guys, this is how the curls on the hair is looking like. I really love how the curls are popping. This is how the curls are popping, guys. Can you see how these curls look so good? So guys, so this is how the hair is looking like right now. I'm going to use my ultra hold hair mousse for the closure part, just to like make the closure part stay flat, because as I said in the beginning of this video, I'm not going to use any hot comb or any equipment. So I'm just going to use this mousse to really just hold down this part of the hair.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move is on the page.
So guys, you can decide to do like a middle part, or you can decide to do like a side part. I really love the wig middle parts, but I'm just going to show you guys how you can you know, put your wig in the middle part, in the side part rather. So I'm just going to take some of the hair and, you know, just take it to the side and show you guys that you can do this in a side part also if you want. This is the hair in a side part, and if you don't want to use your hot comb, you can just use your ultra hold mousse and just take a little bit, just take small, Okay, and I'm just going to put it on the side parts just to like set the side parts. Okay, so
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on
hair is the hair is like 70% dry. It is not completely dry, but guys, this is how the hair is looking like. This hair is 180% density, and this hair is pretty full. You can see that this hair has some volume to it. This hair is pretty full. I love this hair so much. I love the color of this hair. This is like a natural black color. The hair is so cute. Love me hair, y'all are the absolute best. And guys, see, when I mean this wig is true on and go, this wig is actually true on and go, because I'm just going to take off this wig and put it back on and show you guys that you do not need all those extra glue, extra hot comb, extra this and extra that. Okay, as we all know, we are in summertime. This wig is perfect for summer, and it is also perfect for spring. You all make sure you check my description box, because I'm going to put the link to this hair in my description box so that you all can place your order for this beautiful wig. This is how the hair looks like when it is completely dry. Guys, can you see how full this is? Can you see how full this is? So this is the hair when it is completely dry. Can you look at the curls on this? Can you see the curls on this? Can you see how beautiful these curls are? Can you see how beautiful these curls are? This hair is like 180% density. Guys, just see the curls on this wig. Can you see how beautiful these curls are? So guys, this wig is completely beginner friendly. If you are looking for a curly, a deep wave wig to get, then this is the wig for you. Please guys, don't forget to click on the title of this video, because it is going to take you straight to my description box, and you guys can place your order for this beautiful wig from Love Me Hair. Love Me Hair, thank you guys so much for sending me this beautiful wig. I really do love it. And guys, I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye guys.